Hey filmmakers, this is Mr. Granlund here, and I'm going to show you how to make a Zack King style effect using some simple editing techniques. So for this one, I'm just going to do an iMovie. It's going to be pretty easy. You're going to do plus, movie, and I'm going to take that long piece of footage that I just made. So it's that one, and I'm going to create the movie. And really all I have to do is start at the beginning here. I'm going to just trim that off a little bit till right before I come in. And I come in, and I'm going to have it cut right as I hit there. And we're going to split it there. And then all this other stuff, me wrapping it, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to just mark it right there. And all that stuff in between, I delete it. So now I should have a video where I wrap the present instantaneously. And that's it. Because of the setup, I can just tap it and it wraps. Perfect. So that's how you do a Zack King, one kind of Zack King effect. There's a lot of ways that you can apply this effect to all kinds of different materials or whatever. But it's that just really slick, seamless match cut right there. That's the magic part. All right. I hope you're having a good day and have keep making awesome movies, filmmakers.